Switchgear, the unsung hero of our electrical grid. These metal behemoths control, protect, and distribute electricity, ensuring our lights stay on and our factories keep humming. But like any hard-working system, switchgear needs regular maintenance. That's where live cleaning comes in. Live cleaning means cleaning the switchgear while it's still energized. That's right, with the juice still flowing. It's a critical task, folks, because a buildup of dust, dirt, and grime can lead to dangerous short circuits and even fires. Imagine the chaos if a power plant or a hospital lost power because of a dirty switchgear. Live cleaning is a specialized job, requiring expert knowledge and strict safety protocols. We're talking about dealing with thousands of volts here, so there's no room for error. But don't worry, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Before we even think about touching the switchgear, we need to make sure we're prepared. We're talking about a multi-step process here, starting with obtaining the necessary permits and approvals. This ain't a DIY project, folks. Safety regulations are in place for a reason, and we're not cutting any corners. Next, we gather our team of qualified personnel. These are the brave men and women who understand the risks involved and are trained to handle any situation. We're talking about electricians, engineers, and safety officers, all working together to get the job done right. Once the team is assembled, it's time to isolate the section of the switchgear we'll be working on. Think of it like surgery. You don't operate on the entire body at once. We carefully isolate the area, ensuring power is diverted and the risk of accidental contact is minimized. Finally, we double-check our equipment. Insulated tools, voltage detectors, fire extinguishers, everything needs to be in tip-top shape. We're talking about life and death here, folks, so there's no room for complacency. Before picking up a tool, let's talk safety. This is where things get real. We're dealing with enough voltage to fry a chicken. PPE is non-negotiable. Full coverage, head to toe. Establish a clear work zone. Warning signs, barriers, and a safety observer. Communication is key. Teamwork makes the dream work. Never work alone. It's like having a guardian angel. Section 4, the cleaning process, a step-by-step guide. With safety protocols in place, let's get down to cleaning. Live cleaning switchgear requires specialized tools and techniques. First, we use low-pressure compressed air to blow away loose dust. Next, specialized vacuum cleaners with HEPA filters remove fine particles. For stubborn grime, we use safe, specialized cleaning agents. Finally, we wipe down all surfaces with lint-free cloths to prevent residue. Section 5. Tools of the trade, specialized equipment for optimal results. Now let's talk tools. Live cleaning switchgear requires a specialized arsenal, designed to handle the unique challenges of working with energized equipment. These tools are our weapons against dirt, grime, and most importantly, electrical hazards. First up, we have our trusty voltage detectors. These handy gadgets are our first line of defense, alerting us to the presence of live voltage. Before we even touch a component, we double-check with a voltage detector to ensure it's safe to proceed. Next, we have our insulated tools. Screwdrivers, pliers, wrenches, you name it, we've got it, all coated in thick layers of insulating material. These tools protect us from electrical shock, allowing us to work safely on energized equipment. Our specialized vacuum cleaners, as we mentioned earlier, are essential for removing dust and debris without spreading it around. Equipped with HEPA filters and grounded hoses, these vacuums are specifically designed for use in electrically sensitive environments. Finally, we have our cleaning agents and applicators. From non-conductive brushes to lint-free cloths, these tools allow us to apply cleaning agents precisely and effectively, ensuring a thorough clean without compromising safety. Section 6, Conclusion, a clean switchgear, a safer tomorrow. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the world of live switchgear cleaning. It's a dirty, dangerous job, but someone's got to do it. These unsung heroes work tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring our electrical grid runs smoothly and safely. Remember, live cleaning switchgear is not a DIY project. It requires specialized knowledge, training, and equipment. Attempting this task without proper precautions is like playing Russian roulette with your life, not a gamble you want to take. By following strict safety protocols, using the right tools, and employing a meticulous approach, we can keep our switchgear clean, our electrical systems running smoothly, and most importantly, our workers safe. So let's give a big shout out to the men and women who keep the lights on, one clean switchgear at a time.